Here we'll be going over the course syllabus for the senior seminar. This is probably one of the most important things that you can do for this course, or for any course, is to thoroughly go over the course syllabus. So we see we're in the fall semester of 2013. We're at Asbury University. We are the Department of Behavioral Sciences and Adult Professional Studies. I'm your instructor. Office hours, it says office hours posted in Discovery, but I make my telephone number available to you. You can get in contact with me just about any time you want to. Give me a text, give me a call. If I don't answer you, I'll call you right back. There's my email, phone number. There's me on Twitter and Facebook. If you want to friend me on Facebook, do a Facebook search for Jerry Grugan. Here's the course description. This course is designed to evaluate your mastery of the criminal justice core curriculum here at Asbury University, specifically mastery of criminal justice knowledge, values, and skills. You will write a research paper of my choosing. In this case, it's victims' rights, covering a topic which is comprehensive in order to allow the student, you, to show mastery of the core criminal justice curriculum. You will be evaluated on your level of critical thinking and written communication skills. You will also participate in a project which requires you to apply for a mock job. You are required, when applying for this mock job, to submit a resume, write and submit a cover letter, submit 3 recommendation letters, and make a video presentation for the mock job for which you are applying. So there's 2 parts of this course. There is a extensive research paper on victims' rights, and then there is a jobs project. Here are your learning outcomes. By the end of this course, you will have demonstrated proficiency in the following key areas. You will have demonstrated written communication skills, specifically research paper organization and APA skills. You will have analyzed criminal justice concepts and applied those concepts to research. You will have applied a spiritual component to the criminal justice system in research papers. You will have collected and synthesized large quantity of information in the form of a research paper. Text and materials. No texts are required for this course. However, you should have access to your old text and research paper. But this is not a necessity. Mostly you're going to be doing research on your own through the library, the Asbury's Internet Library. Late work. No late work will be accepted without a written excuse from a doctor. It is your responsibility, if you know you are going to miss an assignment due to a medical illness or medical emergency, to let me know via telephone or email. I will then ask you to make arrangements to email a written excuse signed by a doctor. You would have to do this for a job. Please have the same courtesy for me. Please note that if your home internet goes down, you are responsible for finding some place with an adequate computer, a library, a friend's computer, etc. Please make plans for this contingency. Email and course updates. I can't stress enough. Please check your email, your Asbury email, and course updates that are listed in this course every single day. It is your responsibility to check email and course updates every day. If you miss something for failure to check email and course updates, then the sole responsibility is on you. Standard policies. There are several standard policies that are important to your educational journey. Profile. Please upload a profile picture and short personal bio into Discovery that will help me and your classmates get to know you better. Grade book. Once you submit an assignment and I assign a grade, you will be able to view your grade and read any comments left by me. You can also view your cumulative grade at any time in the Discovery Grade Book. You are responsible to maintain awareness of your grades and alert the instructor to any mistakes. I'm going to skip over the forms because there are no forms for this course. Academic honesty. This is especially important for the senior seminar because you're going to be doing a lot of research for your research paper. So I'm just going to go over this quickly. Academic integrity, the embodiment of the moral and spiritual principles to which we adhere, is the essential basis of the Asbury University academic community. Integrity, as partially defined by the Student Handbook for Community Life, is both knowing the right thing to do and doing it regardless of the circumstances. This definition may be applied to all of the scholastic interactions of the academic community. Every member of the community shares responsibility for maintaining mutual trust, respect, and integrity. Violations of such trust and specific acts of academic dishonesty will be subject to disciplinary action. All university community members, faculty, student, graduate, undergraduate, on-campus, online, apps, administrators, professional staff, support staff, and volunteers share the following responsibilities: knowing academic integrity policies and consequences, knowing where policies are available for view, modeling integrity, being able to identify violations of academic integrity, knowing to whom to report violations of academic integrity, and knowing the appeal process for violations of academic integrity. I'm just going to skip the rest of this paragraph. Let me say this. When you are presenting an idea in your paper, if it is not your idea, you must cite. Don't think that you can cite too much. You can't. Cite it. Cite it. Cite it. If it is your opinion, make sure that you say something like, in this scholar's opinion, in this writer's opinion, in this student's opinion. That way we know it's your opinion. Try to back up your opinions with research from the literature, but all ideas, all quotes, all other sources should be cited, and in this senior seminar I'm going to especially be looking for that. Support policy. You should contact your instructor for assistance regarding course concerns related to content, assignments, and general classroom issues. For all technological problems, email the Asbury Help Desk at helpdesk@asbury.edu. Contact the registrar's office for course drop, add, change, or schedule issues. Students are advised and expected to raise concerns immediately rather than late in the process. Computer literacy and requirements. You have to be connected to the internet. You must possess good computer skills and have access to a computer that meets certain minimum hardware and software requirements in order to even be able to take online courses. In general, you must be comfortable working with the internet, email, and word processing, like MS Word, and have access to a personal computer. Our web system, Discovery/Moodle, is user-friendly and support is available if you need help. Firefox is the supported browser of Asbury University, and you should download Firefox, free download, if you do not have it on your computer. You are required to submit any typed assignments in Microsoft Word. Your instructor will not be able to open any other word processor document. Your online course will be facilitated through the Discovery Moodle Learning Management System. Assignment points and grading scale. There are 2 tasks for this course. Your first task is a research paper. The second task is a project. General instructions and grading rubrics for the research paper and the jobs project are included with this syllabus. Right here, you can see the grading scale. Here's the course schedule. In week 1, by the end of week 1, you will have accomplished 4 things. Your title page and abstract, your introduction, your section on victimology, and your section on the victims' rights movement. In week 2, you will have accomplished 2 things. Your section on restorative justice and your section on ethics in criminal justice. In week 3, you will have accomplished 2 things. Your section on family and domestic violence and your section on criminological research. In week 4, you will have accomplished 2 things. Your section on criminological theory and your section on American politics and government. In week 5, you will have accomplished 2 things. You will have accomplished written your section on social problems and globalization in the 21st century and juvenile delinquency. In week 6, you have accomplished 2 things. Issues in intercultural relations and criminal law and process. In week 7, you will have accomplished 3 things. Your section on judicial systems, your section on the Old and New Testaments, and your conclusion. In week 8, you will clean up your paper and turn in your rough draft. After I look at your rough draft and make suggestions, you will turn in your final paper. Then you will turn in all elements of your jobs project. This syllabus gets into your comprehensive research paper instructions and instructions for your jobs project. I'll not go over it here because I'm going to cover it in a separate video.